Bharatiya Janata Party will hold nationwide protests on Saturday, that is 17th December, against the derogatory remarks made by Pakistani Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari against Prime Minister Narendra Modi that sparked outrage across the country. In a statement released on Friday, BJP said the protests will be held in all the state capitals across the country. BJP Karyakartas will burn the effigy of Pakistan and Pakistani Foreign Minister and will strongly condemn the shameful statement of Pakistani Foreign Minister. The party further said that the Pakistani Foreign Minister's remark is highly derogatory, defamatory and full of cowardice, which has been given just to remain in power and save the government and to divert the global attention from Pakistan's collapsing economy. The statement is also aimed at misleading the world and divert global attention from Pakistan's collapsing economy, lawlessness and anarchy in Pakistan. Simmering differences in the Pakistan army, its deteriorating global relations and the fact that Pakistan has become the major sanctuary for terrorists. What more can be expected from Pakistan's foreign minister, which reflects his and his government's desperation and mental bankruptcy, the BJP added. On Friday, the BJP workers staged a protest outside Pakistan High Commission in Delhi against Bilawal's statement. The BJP said that India's foreign policy is being appreciated globally, while Pakistan is facing backlash from even smaller nations. The BJP further added that under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, India has left its indelible mark on various global fora, while Pakistan has faced ridicule and insult on various international platforms. India's foreign policy is appreciated globally, while Pakistan faces backlash from even smaller nations. BJP said that the kind of language Bilawal Bhutto has used is extremely reprehensible, which does not reflect the true spirit of statesmanship and also crosses the limit of decency in public life. The Ministry of External Affairs also slammed Pakistan's foreign minister for his uncivilized outburst at Prime Minister Narendra Modi and said that these comments are a new low even for Pakistan.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.